Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Global System Solution. My name is Samuel Murevi and we are experts in solar power system design and installation. Today we are in Juja, Kiambu County, where we have come to do an installation of a 6,000 watt system. Here we have the solar panels. These are 10 pieces of each 550 watts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. This is it's a monocrystalline solar panel, 580 watts. On my left, we have the inverter. The blue is the inverter, the 6,000 watt hybrid inverter. It's a TBB Ryosan 2 inverter, low frequency. And then here we have a massive 10 kilowatt hour lithium battery. It is an SRME lithium battery. So guys, stick around for more of this installation. Thank you very much.
Because this home has a flat roof, we built a custom mounting structure to position the panels at the optimal angle for maximum sunlight exposure. Our team carefully designed and installed this system to ensure durability, efficiency, and long-term durability. These are now generating up of 5,000 watts of clean solar energy, powering this home with reliability and sustainability. By utilizing the rooftop space, this setup not only optimizes energy production, but also keeps the installation safe and efficient without taking up the ground space. With 10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, the excess energy will be stored for use at night or during cloudy days, ensuring uninterrupted power throughout.
Now we are done laying down the panel. As you can see, these are the panels. There are 10 pieces of them, and each is 550. Now we are generating up of 5,000 watts. So guys, let me take you down and show you where the other system is. Stay tuned.
So guys, this is the other system, the inverter, the battery, and the controls securely mounted on the wall. As we have seen from the rooftop, this system features 10 powerful 550 watt solar panels, efficiently capturing sunlight to generate clean solar energy. The energy is managed by a cutting-edge 6 kVA TBB Ryosan 2 hybrid inverter, ensuring seamless transition between solar, battery, and the grid. To store excess energy, we've installed a 10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, providing backup power and maximizing efficiency, even during cloudy days or at night. In addition to the system, we have installed a consumer unit that consists of both DC and AC breakers. It also consists of SPDs, or rather the surge protective devices, the changeover switch, and the AVS. These are for offering protection to the entire system and also offer ease control of the system. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to switch to solar and take control of your energy? Contact us today and let us power your home or business with clean energy from the sun. Our numbers are 0721 675839. We are located in Nairobi but do installations everywhere in this country. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you so much. From Juja, Kiambu County, we are out and over. Peace out.